Let's go get our nails done so we can play. Okay? Go. Bruce? I hate you. This is why he doesn't get his nails clipped. Ben, get off your phone! Get off your phone! You're not videotaping this. Get off. Ben, help me, please. He weighs like 400 pounds. Come on, get in. Get in, you little animal, you. Come on. Go in. Do you want some treats in there? Do you want some? Do you want some treats? Why are you making this impossible?
You just jam him in there. I did it like a million times.
I can't. He's strong.
Just jam him in there. You just gotta jam in there and hold it upright. Just jam him in there.
I can't. I need your help.
Babe, please just do it.